Hey guys, I'm back today with blush, contour and highlight tutorial. So do watch.
Remember, always use a contouring brush and go for 1 to 2 shades darker than your skin tone.
You don't have to go down. Just that's it. Also, it's light on my area.
Also, before applying, test multiple colors to see which shade works for you. Contour nicely so that your face gets defined. Do not go beyond 2 to 3 shades as we want a natural look. And for nose contour, use a shade darker.
So the contour is done and now it's time for the blush. So here I'm using Color Bar blush.
So all you gotta do is blend.
Make sure your blush overlaps your contour.
And there you go. Keep blending.
Now it's time for the highlight. So here I'm using Pack Highlighter, which is shade number BK03. So this shade is basically for the people like my skin color.
Make sure you don't over highlight as it won't look natural. And always do choose your shade accordingly.
Make sure you highlight your T area. So your T area is your forehead, your nose and your chin. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and share as well.